Good morning students, this is science video. We have done model paper and periodic test of 6th to 7th or 5th to 7th chapters, and today we are going to start with the activity of chapter number 1, that is food, our basic need. And these activities questions are related to your chapter only, so you have to revise it or recall all the points which I have explained in the chapter. Clear? So these are the questions which are asked from your chapter only. So you don't have to hustle or don't have to find out from the Google, right? Most of the people are finding out answer from the Google and getting the answers from there. So there is no need of that. Just understand the chapter well, then you can easily find out the answers by your own. Clear? So I am going to tell you some questions which is on your book only, and these questions you have to understand and give the answer in your textbook only. Clear? So take out your page number 13, that is 1-3, and you will find out a puzzle given after question answers of first chapter. So in that puzzle you will find out some food items. One is done for you, that is milk. So in the next puzzles you can find out what all food items are given and you can easily figure it out, right? The second question is about the chart paper. We have done that chart paper thing as a holiday homework. I have given you the nutrients and their sources, and you all have done and show it to me. Shown. Okay, so there's no need of doing second question as we have done it as a holiday homework. And third question is about which are vegetables you eat raw, means kacha khate hain. So I will explain one by one and you will find out the answer and give the answers in your textbook only. Clear? And show it to me in the WhatsApp. So this is page number 13, right? After your question answers you can see a puzzle given. So in this puzzle first one is given, you have to find out some food items, right? खाने के कुछ यहाँ पे चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं, छुपी हुई हैं, उनको आपको ढूंढना है. First is given as example milk. Now you have to find out others food item like egg, tomato. I have given you hint, so you can find out from this puzzle. Clear? Second one is B. Make a chart on nutrient and their sources. Display it on your class bulletin board. So I have given you this a question as holiday homework, and you all have made the chart paper of nutrients and their sources, right? So there is no need to do it again. So we are skipping this questions. And third one is circle the vegetables that you can eat raw. आप ऐसे वेजिटेबल्स को सर्कल करेंगे जो आप कच्चा खा सकते हैं. क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट वन इज क्यूकम्बर, सेकंड वन इज peas, third one is potato, fourth one is radish, fifth one is bottle gourd, sixth one is bitter gourd, seventh one is carrot, and eighth one is tomato. So you have to find out which vegetable you can eat raw. Let's begin with the HOTS question. This second question we have done as a periodic test paper. In the periodic test this same question was given, so we have done in the previous classwork, but the first one you have to answer it. So Mani bought lots of vegetable that can be consumed in next 4 days from the market. How should he store them? Mani bought बहुत सारे वेजिटेबल्स लेके आ गया है जो 4 दिन तक वो खा सकते हैं, तो बताइए वो उसको स्टोर कहाँ करेंगे. So I have given you so many methods of preservation, right? So drying, refrigeration, these are the points: refrigeration, pickling, drying, canning, bottling. So in this you have to find out which preservation method will be suitable for this situation. Clear? So you have to answer me in the WhatsApp. Let's skip this question as well, because we have done in the previous classwork. So let's acquire, it's a value based question. What is the importance of milk product in our daily food? So what is the importance of milk product in our daily food? As you all know, milk is the only food item that has all the nutrients inside it. Means they have carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Clear? So milk product give us less energy. Milk product are necessary for growth. Milk product help in sleeping well. Milk product do not get spoiled. So which will be the right answer? You have to find out and just tick in front of the correct option. Clear? Do not cross in every box. So let's enhance our life skill. In our country, many festivals are celebrated. Some special dishes are prepared on the festival. Write down their names of 2 festivals and their special dishes prepared on them. So we have many festivals. In India is called the country of festivals, right? So we have different festivals in our country. So every festival is related with some food, right? So you have to mention 2 festivals and their special food or their special dishes which are prepared on the occasion of that festival. Clear? Like, for example, I am giving you, what will be the example for Eid? For Eid we have kheer, right? So you have to find out the second one, or you can write on your own the different festivals. Like Onam we have, right? We have other things, Pongal. So you have to find out 2 festivals and their special dishes over here, and write with the pencil or pen, right? And show it to me in the WhatsApp. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. Thank you so much.